Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, and Prince William's upcoming tour is likely aimed at slowing the Republican momentum fueled in the Caribbean by Barbados' recent decision to ditch the Queen, according to a royal commentator. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge are embarking on a whirlwind royal tour of 3 Caribbean nations, Belize, Jamaica and the Bahamas. Their trip across the pond is the first of a series of tours being undertaken by senior royal family members to mark the Platinum Jubilee year. But the Cambridge trip may have also been planned not just to celebrate this historic year but also to slow down the potential decision of some Caribbean countries to eventually become republic, according to historian and royal commentator Dr. Edison Owens. Speaking about Kate and William's tour, Dr. Owens told Express.co.uk, the tour I see it is a goodwill tour in a long line of royal goodwill tour to part of the Commonwealth and the other realm. I think the key question here is are other realms going to be following Barbados' example from last year and declaring themselves independent of the monarchy by becoming republic? I think to some extent these tours are intended to slow that process. He continued. I think the royal tour is absolutely intended to try and slow momentum for a republic. This is particularly the case in Jamaica. The country former Prime Minister Portia Simpson may vowed in 2012 to make Jamaica a republic. Her party, the People's National Party, PNP, is now at the opposition and its new leader, Mark Golding, issued a rallying cry in November last year after praising Barbados for its decision to become a republic. He told his parliament, "We in Jamaica should follow now, right away and without delay." The establishment of a non-executive president a head of state in replacement of its English monarch was agreed by both major political parties over a decade ago. Surely, Madam Speaker, we can work together to make the required constitutional steps to make this happen in the year coming, which is the nation's 60th anniversary year. Prime Minister, let us move forward with this now. 1 month later, the current Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, said there is no question Jamaica has to become a republic. However, he said the country must have a plan to move towards that in a way that is meaningful and substantial in function and form. Dr. Owens doesn't think it likely Jamaica and some of the other Caribbean countries who still recognize the Queen as their head of state will break away from the crown soon. However, he believes their transition to a republic is inevitable. He said. I think what William and Kate will be doing is trying to ensure the realms do stick with the monarchy and remain monarchy at least for now. The long-term question is when they accede to the throne after the reign of presumably Prince Charles comes to an end, will they or will they not be king and queen consort of Jamaica? Well, it would seem there is a growing movement in some of these Caribbean islands for change. I think Barbados really set the ball rolling in that respect. In terms of the question being asked, I don't think there will necessarily be an immediate domino effect. It may be these other nations don't request or don't pursue Republican status for some time. But I think it is probably a matter of when and not if. I think it is inevitable. Barbados government announced its intention to become a republic in September 2020. At the time, Buckingham Palace said the removal of the Queen as its head of state was a matter for the government and people of Barbados. The Caribbean nation eventually became the world's youngest republic on November 30, during a ceremony attended in person by Prince Charles. Kate and Prince William's tour will begin in Belize on March 19 and end on the following weekend, when they will depart from the Bahamas to return to Britain.